A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. May I welcome you to Jamia's Convocation 2013. First of all, congratulations to all students being conferred degrees today. We all know that this is a special day in the academic calendar of an institution as it marks the culmination of academic enterprise undertaken both by us as teachers and our students. Today, Jamia is very proud to confer 4,570 degrees. These include diplomas, graduate, postgraduate, and 224 doctorate degrees, as well as 154 gold medals to toppers. For those getting their degrees and diplomas today, the convocation will be an event that you will remember all your lives. In addition to academic degrees, a special degree, that of honoris causa, is also to be conferred today. In the past, Jamia has been very proud to confer the honoris causa degree to luminaries on the international as well as national stage. Jamia has awarded honoris causa degrees to leaders like Chairman Yasser Arafat of the Palestine Liberation Organization, whose intifada took on the might of a nation and a world power to speak for his dispossessed people. Jamia has conferred honoris causa to statesmen, one of them being Qasim Utim of Mauritius, who challenged the hegemonistic designs by advocating a nuclear-free zone in the Indian Ocean. We've awarded honoris causa to intellectuals like Professor Edward Said of Columbia University. He was a man who unflinchingly espoused the cause of Palestine and contributed to the discourse of post-colonialism and Orientalism. Jamia has also conferred the honoris causa on the Dalai Lama, a spiritual leader who symbolizes a contemporary satyagraha for Tibetan people, religious harmony, and world peace. Creative artists like Maqbool Fida Hussain have also been awarded this degree, he being an artist who cherished the principle of art for art's sake in the face of violence and threat to his life. This year, the honoris causa is to be conferred on Shri Najib Jung, our ex-Vice Chancellor and currently Delhi's Lieutenant Governor. In a short while, the academic procession shall be entering this pandal, dressed in their very formal robes. Members of the academic procession will enter from your right, and we will all stand and keep standing till the last member of the academic procession has sat down in their reserved seats on your left. The formal proceedings of the convocation begin with the registrar obtaining permission to declare the convocation open. This shall be followed by a recitation from the Holy Quran and its translation. The university students shall then sing the Tarana or the university song, and this will be followed by the Vice Chancellor's annual report. The Vice Chancellor then shall extend a formal welcome to Shri Najib Jung and read the citation, which will be given to him as the degree of honoris causa. This degree shall be conferred on Shri Jung by Jamia's Chancellor, Lieutenant General Retired, Janab M.A. Zaki. After the conferment of this degree, Shri Najib Jung will address the audience, and then shall follow the conferment of academic degrees on students. The order shall be as follows: humanities and languages, social sciences, natural sciences, education, law, architecture and acoustics, fine arts, engineering and technology, Anwar Jamal, Qidwai Mass Communication Research Center, stand in their places and keep standing till the degrees have been conferred on them and the Vice Chancellor has admitted them to their respective degrees and diplomas. At the end, we shall have the Dean Students' Welfare announcing the names of toppers and gold medalists. They are requested to stand in their place one by one as their names are announced. After this, the convocation shall be declared closed by the registrar and the national anthem will follow. Subsequently, the academic procession will once again rise to leave this pandal. And may I request all of you to please keep standing till the last member has exited from this particular venue. PhD recipients and gold medalists will walk behind the academic procession and go to the stairs of the auditorium for a group photograph. Medals, degrees and diplomas may please be collected this evening itself from the offices of the concerned dean or centers. After the academic procession has left, you're all invited for tea. Our special guests will please proceed to the lawns adjoining the pandal on your right. Faculty and staff will have tea on the lawns of the Nehru House, and all students are requested to please collect their boxes of refreshment from the lawn which lies opposite the pandal in the rear. For engineering students, you are all requested to please collect your degrees at your faculty's auditorium. Once again, many congratulations to all those who have got degrees. May you have success and happiness in future. Thank you.
Janab Amir Jamia, may I with your permission declare the convocation open. With the permission of the Amir Jamia, I declare the convocation open. Now recitation from the Holy Quran, followed by English translation.
السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولولا فضل الله عليك ورحمته لهمت طائفة منهم أن يضلوك وما يضلون إلا أنفسهم وما يضرونك إلا من شيء وأنزل الله عليك الكتاب والحكمة وعلمك ما لم تكن تعلم وكان فضل الله عليك عظيما. صدق الله العظيم.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Had not the grace of Allah and His mercy been upon you, a party of them would certainly have made a decision to mislead you. But in fact, they mislead none except their own selves, and no harm can they do to you in the least. Allah has sent down to you the book and knowledge of legal and illegal things, and taught you that which you were not aware of. And ever great is the grace of Allah to you.
Jamia students will now present Jamia Tarana.